yes. We don't show again on us with the drum regularly on top this TV station. Every the men them don't show. If you don't wonder what you did, this one at the show they call BOBOS. Yeah. Yes. So we yarn the yarn, we talk the talk. We do the things, we do the do. Yes.
Before you talk plenty, why you go wear sunshades inside this bar? I don't understand.
I be the bar.
You know, say everybody they follow the trend of swag now, you know, because of these small boys them now, you know. Whiskey, Davido. I hear another one small one come now, Kiss Daniel.
Yeah.
That boy bad though.
You know, you must be very young, go
you know. If you too old. Now why the people put like the Tetwila, you know. So energy is still good now. You don't sing song with Ice Prince. The whiskey, you carry me go. But then we have feedback for na Tetwila. I see Tetwila for video. No be Two-Face feature amo. In just stand beside Two-Face.
No, I bet more than that. Don't let the guy lose the election.
That joke.
Yes. That joke we did. That's what we did regularly. Today, on top BOBOS here, we get one splific matter where we carry on Sunjuna. And before I go bring the matter, I can tell you now, when I don't see my criminals here for a house. That's so now what you define. Now what you define. Don't be you. Yes, as I talk. Chakra. Now so now.
No point finish.
No, be saying if you finish and you go pay.
Now to you, the guy complains, say, drink don't finish for this bar. Take now, let's say you want drink. Maybe you say them say.
And I know this man will just collect drink. My name is Showman. Today on top BOBOS yarn, matter we will carry on something I did very splific. As usual, while they talk, I'm a serious-minded man. We won't ask on for house and us self. Mona Chukma join the matter today. Where we say it good. When person don't marry, make it can get single person as in friend. It good, married man or woman, make it get single person as in friend. Then at the matter we will carry on Sunjuna today. We won't talk about for this bar today. Our social media portals they run through on our screen. Make una they follow us, they talk sharp. They send you the messages them. No mind my glasses. I be superstar today.
This matter, I want to attack this matter with this. See, no matter where you carry monkey go, monkey must chop banana. Even though you say the married person make you be friend with another married person, who go commit, go still commit.
Abi?
So I don't see any problem there. Whether a single person that you want to be friend with, as far as
no, but apart from committing, now take for instance now say your wife, you marry, you understand? She's married. She can't roll with single girl.
Single girl.
You understand? Because it's not about babe and man. No. Now even babe and babe. But the babe they single. You know that somebody must influence somebody. Somebody. There's always an influence. Now.
So you know if you say the married person now go feel influence.
Yes.
Girl
it fits. But it dangerous because what if the single one go influence the? I always tell people I say young girls where they sit down with married men. Every time. You don't want to get married. Because when you're with a married man, you understand, married men chopping single girls like biscuits.
It gets somebody with me I know where say she be babe, she never marry. But she gets her friends, them will be guys where they follow go school. They don't marry. And they still they hang out, they still they gist. No, they don't get anything to do. But the babe they always talk, so she they learn from those people. Until say, you know, yes, they are married, so she they learn from them.
And with the angle where she might take and go, do you know, it is easier for a married woman to influence a single girl than a single girl to influence a married woman.
I don't agree with you.
You know why? Because as a married woman, you get many mentors when you marry. You understand? You listen to many. You listen to your man. You listen to your mom. You listen to your mother-in-law. Single girl is just the freestyle.
So tell me single girl. So single girl no get mother. Single girl no get mother, no get father, no get boyfriend.
They know nobody they.
But he get where he get waiting. I want to make you understand.
Nobody give you.
You know say he get waiting. Showman talk first. Say there must be an influence.
Yes.
But I want make you know say there's every possibility. Say single girl go influence married woman. You know why I talk am. For instance, now make me say the friend will be married babe. They for inside marriage, but the marriage gets some little tendencies of abuse. It did there. for inside the marriage. And you know, say when you sign that nuptial contract, no be say your husband they pound you every time or no be waiting at the advice. But I just they talk say some things go happen for your marriage when you date, when you say you don't marry, when you say you go tell your single friend, either male or female. The advice where they go give you now from the angle of a single person, and as they go take give you that advice, you don't understand.
Wait. I don't know why they look this thing. See, he get this crown, he get this aura where married person they carry. I don't know whether you know. Say this person is married only. If they get one respect. When we say he had, okay, for example, now let me just give example. Single girl will be lesbian. Now example.
No problem. We know your spec. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No. Wait.
Okay.
A married woman will be lesbian. It's easy for married woman will be lesbian to ask single girl will be lesbian act than single girl will be lesbian to ask.
You know why?
You know why?
You know why?
Because she get that kind of fence where they around married woman. You they think many things. Her husband, this woman. If I want,
you know why married woman go? No. You know why?
Look at say this one. Let me just try.
You know why married woman go? You know why married woman go ask single girl make he tidy am?
No.
I believe say the reason why married woman go take ask single girl because you know say the single girl go outside to anybody.
Yes, and the married woman, the married woman don't want to go outside because she must stay house, so she go invite the single girl come house, come tidy, come chop well.
Easy to marry for married
so
person
no,
to influence person.
But let me tell you, Shakara, if married woman will be ashawo, come marry, come they still be friends with her single ashawo friends. You feel that married woman no go say do ashawo?
Possibilities there, and that one no they common.
Who tells you no they common?
The percentage of married women will be lost before will be
married.
You know why? You don't go know that. You know how many girls? You know how many girls when you don't date?
But the thing for me basically na say, may we look at.
Ask a question.
The thing for me na say, may we look at like this Shakara. Really, see, I no go lie you. No be bad thing say single person and married person be friends. No be bad thing. But for me, I dey look the aspect where we say the way married man or married guy they think, single guy they think, the way married woman they think, and single woman they think.
For instance now, you know get how you feel compare how we single people okay, bring Elenu we don't marry, then we will never marry for here. No matter how much thing we they all roll together you must know say
there's always a link.
There's a difference. Elenu go know say now my wife don't come back.
Why you not agreeing with me that
what I'm saying is that
married woman
but me and you know that there are many times that we have made Elenu stay outside and not go back home
till late night.
You know that.
Yes, of course.
There are many times that we have seduced him with what we are happening in the bar, and you know that.
And then, do you know if Elenu call you did somewhere say he needed to come so that you will look and say, okay, this guy before they say make I come this place so man, I have to go. But Elenu go think twice sometimes. You know.
You know they think see, I guess
go think twice sometimes. We just to give example here. And Elenu is fresh. When they talk of when they marriage. This will not be. This one's
the matter be. We don't they spoofing. They talk. They do all the necessary things for inside this place. I beg. We won't go for street. Make you hear waiting our people got stop on top street as we walk out go there. When they come back, no go anywhere. Now see BOBOS on top Wazobia TV.
No,
you're not good. Suppose they face with your wife.
It's not a bad idea.
For me, it don't really make sense for me because especially we don't marry and making the anger with person who really be single. Literally at all.
They do them now, but say they don't be open to, not be everybody go talk. But I'm not sure say they're right.
One, it go make your wife they suspect you. Maybe you and the lady get affair. But for a man can get a friend as a woman, saying that you know my friend you don't marry. But now when the woman understand, but a woman we don't marry, no fit tell man say man na in friend for outside because now two different way. Which woman they get very soft brain. You get the way the other one for outside go to take care of her in a very simple way, which she go start fall even though the man need to fall.
Me, I dey single and I have a friend that is married. So most times when I won't go club or let's say I dey out at the party, So in the always they feel somehow say, okay, himself he don't marry, say, the thing they hook him down. But to us, we're single, we they look and say, okay, this one, the girl, the boy, they responsible, say, nothing. But it's not really advisable like that, because I know the kind of influence where we don't give that guy, we say sometimes. No, not be confession now. I remember the situation where we carry and go strip club. We don't even forget, say, the guy don't marry. You understand? But, you know, that's the thing.
Yes. So now welcome back. Now see Bobos on top of Wazobia TV. They don't yab me so I don't come on the shades with my eye. They don't yab me tired. I don't come on the shades with my eye. Yes, if you just join us, you never miss at all, because the group just start. That one we just sit and I go for streets. And matter what they talk about now, say it good make person we don't marry get single person as a friend. And I still get showman and Shakara inside bar here where they run the talk. Now, yes, Shakara, I go come to you. Know say you get what thing with they talk when they watch Mago for street.
My belly full, you understand? Because you get some things that happen. Because some things happen in real life. Like I be tell showman, I MC wedding where they say the bride, her best friend a man. So and she don't, and normally her best friend and they be your chief bridesmaid. And she don't talk and say her best friend and go stand by her for a wedding. And the man know them. In fact, the man, whether they talk, the man get the bride through the guy. And now, so he go through her best friend. He go so now through the guy.
That marriage is very dicey.
Through the guy. Come see the funny thing now. I think this thing happen live. The guy now can be the bride chief bridesmaid. But he wears suit.
Wait, guy.
Wears
suit.
As chief bridesmaid.
For back of the babe.
Back of the babe.
And for the back of the guy self.
The back of the guy, guy there groom. That is now.
My brother.
It was very unique. As in that day.
Unique, oh. Unique, but you know go funny, oh. When they don't marry, oh. May I call you and say that my wife they call one guy.
No, but the guy for the guy to do that marriage, so he already know they don't.
That girl.
See, they can't even be business partners.
They don't see my.
But you know say,
Shakara, I put it to you people say that guy. They either that guy they chop the girl, or the guy go chop the girl.
You know what?
I tell you.
Why did I see that day? You know the.
Why I they tell you say me you know can go down angle and say it they get some people opposite sex we say that they extremely close.
My brother, leave that thing.
But no strings
and that is the problem. Listen, the problem is say most times people know they always realize early when maybe like now you and one babe they work out together. Now go the road, you know go know say that person love you and just be friends. Like I watch a weekend getaway where they shoot for Ibom Hotel. Nice movie. They roll together, Ramsey Noah and that babe. They don't know say they're friends. No, but what I'm saying is that you feel there with person, you understand? Now the girl na your best friend, you know go know say una love una self. You could even say either my daughter or this.
Wait. Do you know you get the power we can carry? No, this now they cannot go around. Sex, let me put it like that now. Sex get one spirit. You understand? That spirit is so strong that we say you cannot hide it for long. I swear to God. So let me tell you, if you and somebody, let me ask you, they come this by every time, and maybe you they crank the bag with the cause of us. Say we don't know.
They use that. Which kind of
say we don't know. We know on the coda. You know, say that spirit of sex, that strong spirit we carry. Wait, it overtake person. We say the day we son I go let loose someone I not go know. Because we go they catch some glimpse, but on I go feel say on the code.
Agree.
So we as human beings we can't know say man
something. But when me I want make una understand, I say I dey extremely sure say we get people for this world, even for Nigeria here, we say in best friend, guy they would say in best friend and babe, and his wife know about
it. He did, but it's dangerous.
But
because man tell you, if
but it depends. So show you know,
man,
it depends on how
woman owner we fit even say okay, maybe small restrictions fit day. Because but imagine saying a man like me now can't get my best friend, na female. I can't quarrel with my wife, can't run. Say me I go see That's my friend. Tell me to come back. I can't go see my female friend. Then maybe I did very heartbroken. She can't carry my head. Can't pull for her chest. Say, calm down. Show baby. Is okay. You want to tell me, say?
Depending on our friendship.
Man, when did they carry Bobby play?
Depending on our
my brother, you don't know when the head was on the
If you are out there, don't be someone's best friend.
No, you see what I'm saying? Because
I don't tell you finish. I beg you.
Anybody.
Maybe God will see your opinion when you leave this world.
When
we come back, see your opinion. I beg you.
want tell me? Kayama. You put my head on the boobs, I fall there. We died there. I tell you. Friendship ends. Marriage scatter. Take it.
Hey, see your opinion, Biko. Hey, Eva.
No, because it's not good. Person like me, as now maybe I'm a married woman. I don't like my husband going out with other women.
It's not really bad, but it has its own disadvantage.
I'm a single woman, and I make friends with married women. It doesn't look nice.
So it's not really proper for a married man or a married woman to keep friendship with a single person. It's not really proper. You know, because one thing or the other want to like come up. What you didn't plan for. We are not perfect. We are just human beings. You understand? So in my own word, no is a no.
You know they go like that too, but in some cases, it go better small so that she go fit like get more advice from him. So it better like that. It's not really good, but as a married woman, she's supposed to get somebody maybe she fit talk to like that.
Nothing wrong with Amo because everybody gets your own concept about life. There are good single people who are single, we're nice than they. People where they married, we're no nice than they. So you know mean now individual difference as your character be. So it don't matter. I don't see very many single people where they influence married women in a very positive way. And I don't see married women too where they influence single women as positive. Whether women or men, it doesn't really matter. It don't matter at all.
Yes, I don't hear every.
When someone want chop me here, say you no get how. You hear that woman say they are good single people.
Yes.
When
they are good.
When we say if you run to,
they are.
Even if you like hold them like
they are good single people.
By the time when
they are good single people, are you among them?
For the Bobby,
do you know? Ma tell you. Ma tell you. At least you self know. Even you know. Several times where I don't call your house. Wait. I don't call your house. Where you tell me say you tell me say I carry babe call your house. Say I no gree do. Say I did a lie with person.
That one they no gree you do that.
Yeah, you see, because now my friend.
They no gree you do.
Now my friend. Did it not happen some weeks ago? You understand? I tell you now. My best friend can't deal with me because of say traffic. They with me for 3 days. I like him. But I don't do, no be lie. I don't do anything. You understand? When I won't take Bero no believe now. Bero say, he must. But you see, I didn't look, see, some guys feel they look more of friendship. Or they check future. Me, I for like marry the girl. You understand? So I don't want. I don't like when they talk something very serious. You know they marry that
guy. But on a serious note, Ugo, I like advice. We here and our people they watch for house. Now, if you say to make that friendship easy, if as a guy you want to make friend with single girl we don't marry, to make them easy, I feel say if you want to choose friend, make sure say that girl make it not be your spec of woman, the kind of woman where you like.
Point.
I want to ask you a question.
Wait. Let me land. Make sure say make it not be your kind of woman, your spec where they like for cranky matter. Not be personality. You know, say personality, caring. I mean the figures, the kind of way they like for make it not be your spec.
Hurry up. I don't forget.
But you like her personality. I tell you, say that friendship go work. Sex, go fly.
Okay, listen.
It go help you. It will help.
Listen.
Because me, I get one friend like that. She not be my spec. You understand? And she be my friend. So I know they think calm.
At all.
Oh yeah, Chaka, listen.
Yes.
You know, say if man like you now get house, can't go bring one house girl. the girl, maybe she no get hair, she no well arranged, nothing. They say maybe she stay your house for like 1 month. You know, the first day, when they leave the girl, you and the girl inside house, you go to shout, give my food. Second day, no. Third day. You know, say after 4, 5, 6, the nature of man, now you go begin to say, bring the food and keep here for me. She bring. After like maybe 2 weeks, sit down here.
But no matter.
Listen, before you know what's happening. Listen. Before you know what's my brother, don't be about. You get spec. You don't mean say you want marry him. But before you know what's happening, you go chop.
No.
Advice.
This one I
why I want to ask you one question. No. Listen. I want to ask you one question. I want to ask you one question. Why man go marry woman? Can't decide to get another female as his best friend. Your wife should be your best friend.
Your wife.
So you don't need a best friend.
Listen. See, this word where they for Bible where they say when a man and a woman come together, they become one. No, so your wife, not you.
Now your best friend.
You and your wife, not your best friend.
Love your neighbor as yourself.
But the thing I say, he get some things where you know fit do with your wife. Or when we say you go want to with your wife, you go want your friends say me then
Bible say can a man carry charcoal in his hand and not be burnt? You know if he carry fire, put for your hand, say you don't go, but he go burn you.
Let me tell you,
he go burn you.
That different thing.
What did they tell me?
See that thing where you talk Nana, say
so you say
no.
You know where you like yourself. You know where you like yourself. You say make you choose your spec, Abi. Say person go choose. No, you choose your spec. Abi, you lie to yourself. Because I tell you, you always attract who you are. What's your wait now? What's your real self like? Chakara, you no fit be friends with anybody. We no tally with you, whether I'm male or female.
As people they watch us now, get people who go they laugh you.
Why you laugh me? Why not you?
We get real friends. People say they don't do anything.
I know. You get.
I get one way gather.
Because he never give you.
Wait. No.
Give you.
See,
how many school daughters where you get where you don't chop?
Which school daughter?
How many?
You get mixed school. Now mixed school you go.
God that I get safe. Now your friend. I'm going to chop him. I know how call your name because
I beg you. Maybe I don't hear the old minute with the talk since morning. I just battle today on a beg. Make me somebody give an award don't spoil. From there, we go talk some more accents. I beg word don't spoil. We maybe go sharply. Take it away. Buria. Yes. Una welcome back. Mood don't change for this place all day now. Una know why?
It's politics.
Because this topic will carry Sanjina now. Now what we know say they happen before. It they hard before now we see people they'll just come outside. All those our chairmen them just they slash our money and our money belong to us. When we say we pay tax, we know as it be as we also rich, we see they pay tax.
I want to sing one song.
But now
our money, yeah. That's what they sing. Our money, yeah. For instance, so you be the one where them give charge. You know that two-face song.
That chorus follow for this song.
And our money they chop now.
Our money or
say where they take our money go France. Our money, yeah.
I beg. When I say my men, them just day.
No, I want to talk something. You know, say the governor of Niger State, Aliyu Mazu, come out talk say, he say all politicians, including him, they are all liars.
Yes,
of course.
He say all. I like that man.
Politicians.
He say politicians.
But you know, say I don't go into politics now, but I know the lie. You know why? I know the lie. Me, I know the truth. Like me, I follow candidate. I don't follow political party. Understand? I know party way fake. I know party way
no, all the party fake. No be fair anything.
No be all.
All the party is fake. I beg, leave that thing.
Mono.
We go turn this back.
No. He get one. We'll take 1 full week discuss politics because you see, until when we youths go begin take over. If I will take 1 week vex, say we need to discuss.
This government they affect us.
Yes, now.
In those days when you come to bar, bottle of beer, 50 naira.
But now, how much you buy for it?
Sometimes we not even drink beer. Nah.
I remember vividly well. USA 94 when they play because I dey use the event to remember things.
Yeah.
We won't come back when Nigeria play Bulgaria. We win 3-0. One guy come back in front, 150 naira, and then bring out from his pocket. He buy 3 bottles.
Are you serious?
Of beer.
Making 15 naira for one.
15 naira for one.
But now,
I beg. We dey beg una we dey there. I beg.
That word don't spoil
But we dey beg una, I beg. I beg. We dey beg una. Our chairman them. We dey beg.
Who be chairman?
We dey beg. Now them be our chairman. Because I them be.
I beg.
Our rulers.
They are rulers.
Anyhow, una want to do.
They are not leaders.
Make una remember. Say that place una dey. Una no go dey there forever. Our rulers.
They are not leaders.
I beg. Una go dey. No be for life. Una go dey there.
Divide and rule.
Make una do am well. Shakara, give me your last take on top this matter today.
This matter today, they very spoofy. Please, just speak from what I've been talk. Say if you want to choose friend, make it not be your spec. It go help you. You get advantage. It go help you make. It go make the friendship they real, and it go make sex they far because you not gonna think sex like that.
Confirm.
Okay, advice for me be say, if you be man, make your best friend be man because na man free advise you something well. If you be woman, make your best friend be woman. Any man we get female friend as in best friend, not cheat. That means say before you will marry, you will get two people where you love. That's all I can say. Your wife now your best friend.
That the matter will carry concern now. But for me, I go tell you now, anyone who you choose, now your choice, now your understanding and your openness and your transparency, now it is very, very important. Now we can carry give una be that. I beg, we go enter on our screen again, same time, same station, another day. I beg make una know we live in a like that. From your boy, Ugo Matthews, Chakra, and Showman. One, catch you phone.